In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Amazon Pay account. By the end, you'll know how to use Amazon Pay as a shopper and how to start the setup for your business if you want to accept Amazon Pay on your website. First, open your web browser and head to the Amazon sign-in page on Amazon.com. Make sure you're on the official site, look for the secure lock icon and the Amazon.com address in your URL bar. This keeps your information safe and ensures you're signing in to the right place. Next, enter the mobile number or email associated with your Amazon account and tap Continue. Follow the prompts to enter your password. If Amazon asks for a verification code, go ahead and complete that step. It's a quick security check designed to protect your account. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your Amazon homepage. At this point, you're ready to use Amazon Pay as a shopper. There's nothing extra to turn on. The next time you're checking out on a website that supports Amazon Pay, simply choose Amazon Pay at checkout. You'll sign in with the same Amazon credentials, and your eligible payment methods and addresses will be available, making checkout fast and familiar. Keep an eye out for the Amazon Pay button on participating sites, and always confirm the site looks trustworthy before proceeding. If you're setting up Amazon Pay for your business, go to pay.amazon.com. On that page, click the business registration option to begin. This is the official portal for merchants, and it walks you through the process step by step. On the sign up screen, you'll first indicate whether you're using an existing shopping cart or e-commerce provider. Then you'll be prompted to enter an email address and create a password for your Amazon Pay merchant account. Amazon will send a one-time password to your email to confirm ownership, so check your inbox and complete that verification promptly. After verification, provide your business details. You'll be asked for your business name, your website URL, your business category, and your estimated annual sales volume. These details help Amazon tailor services to your needs and ensure everything aligns with their requirements. Enter accurate information and keep it consistent with what appears on your site and other business records. Finally, follow any remaining on-screen prompts to complete your setup. When you're done, you'll be ready to offer Amazon Pay as a payment option on your site, giving customers a fast, trusted checkout experience. And that's it. Sign in, use Amazon Pay at participating checkouts, or complete